what's up, and welcome back to another episode of Super Saiyan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ball from a Rubik's snake 24. So 24 meaning it has 24 pieces. So it's a 24-piece snake cube, and we're gonna make a ball out of it that you can catch, throw, or whatever you want to do with the ball, juggle. So first, let's go and open up this ball. Okay, so now you have this long snake cube, 24 piece, okay? And if you want your snake to be a certain color, white or red, then you're going to choose that type of triangle. So so if I want my cube to be white, then my triangles has to be a white triangle facing upwards, right? It can't be upside down. It has to be a white triangle facing upwards if I want my ball to be white. If I want my ball to be red, then I'm going to go to the red triangle that's facing upwards, straight, okay? And it's going to be the first one on my left side. So we're always going to start at the left side, okay? No matter where you're, no matter what color you're using. So there's always a white side and a red side. So I'm going to make my ball white for now. Okay, so I'm going to find the right-sided white triangle. Okay, and I'm going to push it upwards. Like this. And then you're going to get like this red triangle that was at the bottom. Now I'm going to count 3 squares from where I turned this triangle. So, 3 triangles. I'm going to count 3 triangles from where I turn this triangle. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to turn this up. Now I'm going to have this kind of chair type of shape thing. I don't know really. So it's going to look something like this. And now we want to make a copy of it right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the one right beside this red piece over here, this white piece. We're going to push it down. And now as you can see, now this has a white rectangle, this has a white rectangle. Now we need a white triangle right over here. So we're just going to take this, the one right beside the white rectangle. The next piece, we're going to just turn it to the side. And you're going to get something like this. So the entire rest of the snake, we haven't done anything. It's only this left side that we've changed. And now what we're going to do is that we're going to just stick them together. So we're going to fold this inwards. Same thing with the other side. And we're going to fold this inwards. And it's going to make this little diamond / square shape. Okay? And what you're going to do is that you're going to turn, there's these white rectangles, and you always want to put these white rectangles right by where you made a square. So I'm going to turn this to the white square I made, and the white rectangles are facing the square that I just made. Now I'm going to flip it over to the inside where it looks like a little eye, and you're going to see this little red triangle here. Right beside it, there's another white triangle. At that white triangle, you're going to fold it towards you. And then now we want to match it. We want to make another square here. So what we're going to do is that we're going to look here, and there's going to be 1, 2, 3. On the third triangle, we're going to fold it backwards, and we're going to snap it in. And like I said, you always want these white rectangles to face wherever you just made your square / diamond. Okay, so you're just going to fold it downwards. And now it looks like a little rod or a snake's eyes, just like that. And now you have 2 triangles that you can make another square at. So what you're going to do, I'm going to use this one. So you're just going to, so it's like this. I'm going to use this one. And you're going to see a red triangle here. You're going to take this white one and you're going to push it towards you. Again, we want to make another square here. So we're going to push this backwards and snap it in. And remember, we have to make the white rectangles go to where we made the square. So we're just going to fold that downwards like that. And now half of our ball is done. And now there's a triangle here. A square is already made here. So we're going to make this triangle. So we're going to take, so there's going to be a red triangle here. on a white triangle here. So we're going to take this white triangle, we're going to fold it upwards. Again, we want to make a square here, so we're going to fold this backwards and snap it in. Okay, and it's going to make another square shape. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this, and we're going to try to make the white rod come up. But as you can see, it is stuck because this piece is interfering. So what we're going to do is we're going to push this a bit back and then make it into the white rod. Now, don't worry about this part. What you're going to do is that now there's a triangle right here and a triangle right there. So we're going to make that a square. So we're going to fold this backwards and we're going to snap it in. Now, as you can see, since we snapped that in, this square is also made. Now we just have one last triangle left to finish our our cubish ball type of thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this white triangle back and we're going to snap it in. And just like there's white rectangles here, we're going to fold this rectangle right here upwards so it can match, and then there you go. There's your ball. If this worked out for you, please leave a comment down below that this worked out. If it didn't, tell me why in the comments. If you like this video, click right up here. There's a poll right there. And if this tutorial was kind of hard for you, there's another better quality one down in the link below. So make sure to go check that out if this one didn't work out for you. Okay, that is better quality, and if you didn't understand this, then you might understand that one. Okay, and by the way, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.